Hi, I'm Devin. I'm the head of customer service for Vive Health, and in today's video, I'll show you the basic setup for your Vive transport chair. Included with your Vive transport chair, you'll find the chair frame, which includes the pre-installed seat, padded armrests, hand grips, hand brakes, and wheels. Also included are 2 adjustable footrests and an adjustment wrench. The first step to unfolding the transport chair is to grip underneath the armrests, lift, and spread apart. Set back down when you see that the seat is fully level. Now that you have the seat of the transport chair unfolded, your next step will be to lift up the handlebars until the locking pins click into place and you're all set. To attach the footrests to the transport chair, fit the 2 attachment pins through the holes on the detachable footrest. Rotate the footrest in until the silver mechanism locks into place and lower the footrest. To detach the footrest from the transport chair, pull the silver mechanism forward until the footrest rotates out, lift it up and off the attachment pins, and you're all set. To adjust the length of the footrests for the Vive transport chair, you're going to loosen the silver bolt here underneath the foot pedal. You can use either the included wrench or a 13mm wrench or socket. Loosen that up just a little bit. Pull these 2 apart till you reach the length that you'd like, and retighten the bolt here. And you're all set. The first step to folding the transport chair is to pinch these 2 black levers in to disengage the locking pins and fold the handlebars down. Now that you've folded the handles down, to finish folding the rest of the transport chair, lift from the handles on either side of the seat and compress the frame together, and you're all set. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.